Theo thầy, thì xét thì phải xét cả single music, congames, congames, then again,
I listen. I like to listen to classical music from small area.
Okay, let's look at this. Any problems? Question one and two? No, Question three, okay? Question three, okay. Apa standard questions okay, so all the calculation all okay yeah?
3D,
3D. State two methods of increasing the rate. Increase temperature, increase pressure. Right.
Yeah,
Yeah, why? What's wrong? What did you write?
I think she has the same confusion.
Uh, this reaction, my dear, this reaction, they're all gas. Gas cannot. There's no surface area for gas. That's why cannot. That's yield, not rate. Right. Rate only got the five things. Temperature, pressure, catalyst, particle size, concentration. No, catalyst is only required in small amounts. Small catalyst doesn't increase the rate.
Okay.
You can increase the surface area of the catalyst. That one can. Okay, somehow this one all calculation okay, Huh? Yeah. Okay, this one is ammonium chloride, Don't get the name wrong,
She said the two questions not before.
This one. 怎么算错? Okay. So it's in minus out. Okay.
945 times 3.
Yeah, maybe.
Alright.
So in is 945 plus 3 times.
40.
yeah,
Then this one is just. Oh, I know already. Okay, how much is this? How much is this? No, no. Did you write down the correct answer?
50.
Two. Okay. In minus out equals enthalpy change. In is 2250 minus out equals to negative 90.
Then you flip 90 to the
Okay, so therefore out equals to
2250 plus 90.
plus 90.
2340. Yeah.
Do you get it? Okay, and then how many NH bonds do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 2, 3, 4 all divided by 6. And you get how much?
300.
You get it now? All right. An incomplete symbol. So okay, okay, this one all okay?
Yeah.
So that draw already, Yeah, okay. Okay, next. This one no problem?
I don't know the pH, then I don't know what I said. pH and equilibrium.
Oh, pH of the start.
So
The start was neutral, right?
yeah.
pH 7, right? And then
I just wrote 7.
this one?
I wrote lower than 7.
It answers 5, right?
5.
What is the answer?
You guys above 3.
Above 3, less than 1 cannot. It's a weak acid. 5, right? Answer 5, right? So 5 lah. Cannot be 1, 2, 3. Why? It becomes a weak acid. Weak acid.
The answer was 3.
Yeah, that's why it cannot be. Yeah. Fine. Yeah, can. 1 to 3 is like 勉强可以
Lower than 7 above 3. Okay, so I have to add one above 3. So this equals that.
This is the page 9.
I didn't see the weak acid.
It's a weak acid, but Ester what? Ester becomes weak acid what?
Very sad.
Okay.
Why no methyl or bleach?
Used to follow. Follow 是一个 pH 1, pH 2, pH 3, pH 4, pH 5. Universal indicator tells you different pH. Phenolphthalein, thymophthalate, and methyl orange can and only let you know the end point when it changes from one pH to the next. Follow the change.
Okay. We went to orange shape for somehow. I didn't hear. Orange is like that's only.
Methyl orange is not colorless. Okay. Let's go through this again. Acid, alkali, neutral. No, that one no more already. Now they use thymophthalate.
On this.
Thymophthalate in acid is colorless. You know why not? Thymophthalate in alkali is blue, easier for you all to use. Neutral is also colorless. Because alkali is blue ma. Litmus is red ma. Phenolphthalein is pink in alkali. Yeah. Acid is red. Alkali is yellow. Neutral is orange.
Okay.
That's why it's called methyl orange. Methyl? Wow. The CH 那个 methyl 的。Alright.
I like phenolphthalein because
It's pink, yeah, the pink color is actually quite nice. It's not all okay, ah?
Uh, wait. Oh, yeah.
oh yeah, no.
So all okay?
The question 5A2.
580. Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay. If I'm asking you fluorine, chlorine, bromine, why they have similar chemical properties? Wait. I know. Wait, I'm explaining two different scenarios. Okay, I'm explaining two different scenarios. So fluorine, chlorine is all the halogens. So they have the same chemical properties because they all have 7 valence electron. So they have similar but not same. But the trend is the same. Similar. Okay. Group 1 also you see like that. But 这个 is identical. So identical. Then they don't say the word similar, they use identical. So they have same electron arrangement. Okay, same electron arrangement. Get it? Get it? Understand? Physical, not chemical. Okay?
Wait.
So because this is the same atom, it's the same type, same electron arrangement. That's why the chemical property is exactly the same. It's the same element. Okay? So you cannot just say valence electron. Valence electron is when we're talking about the same group. When we're talking about the same element, the isotopes, the same element, we talk about same electron arrangement. Get it?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, can I continue? Which else? So draw for you something, right? This one, huh? One, two, three.
It's for the space
One, two. This one, don't forget, ah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't forget these two, ah.
teacher, you missed a lot.
I haven't finished it. Okay, finish.
You missed a lot.
Where?
Hydrogen half.
Oh, up there. Okay, now finish.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Ah, that's all. All right. 算多少分?
Oh no.
This is a very, very, very normal question. They will either ask you to compare ionic versus simple molecular. Why this one high melting point? Why this one low melting point? They always ask you to compare this. Okay? So, for example, they ask you wait. Why okay. I haven't seen it. Why sodium chloride? Wait. Chill. Okay. Why sodium chloride high melting point? Why in this case is what? In this case is oxygen. Okay. Why oxygen or carbon monoxide or oxygen have low melting point? So then you must explain the intermolecular forces of attraction, or you can say the forces of attraction between this molecule and this molecule. This one is the weak forces of attraction, right? Okay. So is it easy or difficult to separate? Easy. So you must mention the word molecule. You must mention the molecule. You must mention intermolecular or between the molecules. It's weak. And this one is ionic, right? It's the giant covalent. It goes ionic. And these ionic bonds are strong. Okay?
Wait.
That is for one type of question. Another way they can ask you is this one. Graphite, which is giant covalent, versus carbon monoxide, which is simple molecular. Are they both covalent? Yes, but for graphite, it just goes on and on and on and on and on, right? So when you boil, there's no molecule for you to separate. So the easy way is to say, okay, so for this one, your answer includes graphite is usually what I write is giant covalent structure with many strong bonds. Or you can say with many strong covalent bonds. And then the other one, okay, CO is a simple molecule. Okay, everyone knows it's in the intermolecular is weak, right? But you must mention it is weaker. Okay, has weaker forces of attraction between molecules. And another keyword is molecules. Get it? Understand that? Okay. So what did you write?
I think that I have time to really
Structure, what not? No. Do not write because of the huge amount of energy. Come on, have a simple molecular structure, only small amount of energy to overcome. Okay, 2 marks. The last mark is this one is weaker than the other thing. You must mention. So, like for example, you cannot say this is 0, this is 5. So this is smaller, this is bigger.
wait, when you say carbon dioxide,
Yeah, one mark.
what was
You understand or not?
Okay.
So this is a very, very common question that they ask. All right. Okay, let's continue marking. So for this one, you actually have to draw it out. This one, right? You actually have to draw it out.
I need draw out answer scheme it. Answer scheme is worse than me. So
Okay, so it's H, right? This plate shows all the bonds. You cannot just write C2H5.
oh shit, I asked.
Okay?
Wait, but then the answer scheme is like C dash dash.
No, they said the first mark. The first mark has this.
Damn it.
Wait, I have
Then displayed formula of build one in.
7 you I put double bond between carbon.
Carbon to carbon.
Double-
No. Functional group is something you actually have to draw. You have to write it out. Cannot.
The show can scroll down. Always.
C4. Okay.
Okay, so one alcohol. So you can either do, so if you draw it, you must write the correct one. I know that sound.
Okay.
That's the Duolingo sound.
Oh no. No, it's so stern.
Sounds very familiar. Because my daughter does that as well.
Yeah.
Or is that a game?
I probably was right.
One mark? So far, one all. Okay, count how many marks?
Yes, and